Hi, this is Jillian Laracella for Edit 4020. And for my third tool report, I chose to present the Marvel design app that I've been using to create my project. And it's super simple to use. And the first step, you just create an account, which I already did. So I'll show you how to create a new project. So it gives you some options as to what exactly you're making your project for. So I specified that I wanted it for the iPhone X just to give it, or to, make it on the newest iPhone. And my project name is Jet iPhone. Okay, and so you have the option of dragging new designs in. So when I click design, then it prepares your canvas, and you basically are given the option to have different tabs at the bottom of your screen because it sets up your design for your actual app that you're creating. So it gives you different options for designing. If you want tabs on your screen to be able to switch different screens, and then how exactly you want to present your title and any other kind of add-ins. It gives you the ability to add. So if I want to put in this little tab in here for the screen, I'm able to do that, and also able to add different aspects to it. If I want to put a little text box or different shapes, it gives you all those options. I'm just clicking through random things to kind of show, see, like making different, whatever. It really just gives you a range of creativity, like just throwing in all these random kind of objects, because it just allows you to be creative, and whatever you want to do with your app, it gives you the ability to do. One of my favorite aspects is you can look through a bunch of different pictures to add to your app itself, which is extremely helpful if you want to be very specific in what you're presenting. So if I get rid of all of this, if I was just creating a, the very beginning screen for my app, I'd want to use my design that I created in my last tool report, which I'm going to open. And you can open it right onto your screen, and you're able to move it and adjust it how you need, how you see fit. So this is my own little design that I made for my app. So I can use it as the very, homepage beginning, to just illustrate to users what exactly, the Jet app is and what I've created for it to look like. Close, and that's my first page, and then also if I wanted to add different things to it, like that little bar at the bottom to scroll from page to page, I'm able to do that. That was just a quick example of how to use this design app. It's been very helpful, and I've loved using it so far.